Look at the forces that act on the beam and check the answers that is given here has been calculated. And then after, check the distances and check the answers, and then we're going to put them on the app. So this OG, so F1 is 3, and then so because we don't have force number 3, this one, and this distance we don't put it, so we're going to put the 2, which is 2, is 5, here it's 3, here it's 4. If it's like this, supposed to get the same answer. So this app, we can use it for maximum of 3 forces acting at the top and minimum of 1 force acting at the top, to calculate the right and the left support. Let's see the answer. So as you can see from me, the answer is still the same as this one. Check the answer and say and verify if it's correct, and that's it.